I have the fan on. I just have to talk a little bit louder because I don't know. It's not that it's hot, but like I don't know. It is kind of hot. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jasmine Rae. Today I'm going to be doing another makeup tutorial. This is what we got. Okay, I never do neutrals or any browns. Like never. Once in a while I do. I just like my nails. Did my nails. Want to see how I did these? Go check out my last video. Okay, great. This look actually wasn't even that hard. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. First things first, I did my brows in one eye off camera because I filmed this for TikTok. Anyways, go follow me on TikTok, guys. I changed my username. It's Jasmine Rae 17. I think that's it. I'm like pretty sure that's it. But go follow me on TikTok. I post every day, every single day, sometimes multiple times a day. So go follow me on there. Follow me on Instagram. I also post every freaking day, every day. Oh, and my business. Follow me on my business page too. It's Jazz Rae Cosmetics. Jazz Rae Cosmetics. I'm procrastinating because I really don't feel like doing this on the side, but yeah. Okay, first things first. Like I said, I did my brows off camera. I used the Anastasia Beverly eyebrow pomade in the shade Ebony, and I also used my BR foundation stick in the shade Porcelain to conceal around my brows. And what else did I use? I didn't use my e.l.f. eyebrow gel like I usually do. I used hair gel to gel my eyebrows. So, yeah. But to prime my eyes, I use this Maybelline SuperStay foundation in the shade Natural Ivory to prime my eyes. And you are probably thinking, why is she using foundation to prime her eyes? That's so weird. It is weird, but it's actually really good. You know, because it's thick and full coverage, and it's just good. It's really good to cut your crease too. Okay? Great. But next, I am going to use for eyeshadow this these kids are crackheads. I'm gonna use this Perfect 23 Matte Colors eyeshadow palette. I'm going with this shade right here, this warm brown shade. And I'm going to blend this like right in this inner part of my eye and like flick it out a little bit, okay? Okay, boom, like that. Now I'm gonna take this like little tiny blending brush right here, and I'm gonna go to this deep brown right here. Now that is blended. Now that is blended, I'm illiterate, sorry. But now that that is blended, I'm going to cut my crease kind of. I'm gonna do that little shape right here, like the whoop-de-doop. That's what I'm calling it. And yeah, using that Maybelline foundation again. This is the best I'm gonna get it because I don't feel like messing with it too much because I'm lazy. I'm gonna go back in with this really deep brown again. And now I'm just gonna take that same brush, wipe off the excess brown on the back of my hand, and go back in with that light brown shade I was using. What shade was that? This one right here. And blend out that dark brown. Okay, now that that is blended out for the most part, I'm gonna go back in and cut my crease again. But this is gonna be really easy because all we're doing is really making a little line. And like I did on the side, you see this total like line. I'm gonna go with this brown right here and blend that on my outer part of my eye. Now that that's blended out, I'm gonna go with this black, and I'm just gonna use a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with that light brown again, this light brown, and blend out that black. Okay, now I'm going to cut my crease. Okay, now I'm gonna take this eyeshadow palette I got off AliExpress and use this shade, just like a cream color shade, whatever, and set my lid. Okay, now that I got that out away, and now I'm gonna go in with this Ciate Lustre cream eyeshadow in this shade. I think it's ice or something like that. Now I'm gonna go into my fuck. I'm hating my life right now. For face primer, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Mineral Infused face primer. Okay, face primed. For foundation, I'm using this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade light beige. For concealer, I'm going to use this Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Vanilla. For setting powder, I'm going to use this AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder in the shade Soft Light. For contour, I'm going to use this WetnWild contour palette. Oh, I'm irritated. I cannot get this glitter just not transfer for nothing. Come on, give me my fucking nose contour brush, bitch. I'm not in the mood. Fuck you. Oh, I hate my life. I hate my life. I want to cry. I literally want to cry right now. Highlighter, I'm going to use this AOA Studio Velour highlighter in the shade Lucky. And I'm going to add another highlighter. I'm going to use this, let me find my highlighter brush. This WetnWild Megaglo highlighter in the shade Golden Flower Crown. I'm just going to put it on top of that other highlighter. Okay, now that that is done, I am gonna finish up my eyes. Go back in with this Perfect 23 matte color eyeshadow palette. Going with this deep brown right over here, and run that on my lower lash line. And now I'm gonna go with this light brown right here and blend out that dark brown. Okay, now, whatever. Okay, for mascara, I'm going to use this Maybelline Direct Volume Express Mascara because I can't find my other one. I'm going to glue my lashes now and I'll be right back. Lashes are on. Okay, for lips, I don't know what I'm going to do. Give me a second. I think I might do a red. Okay, for lipstick, I'm going to use this Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Striking. Okay, and that's pretty much a look. Okay, I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, click that bell to be notified every time I post a video. Comment down below any suggestions you guys have for another video. Follow me on all my social medias. They will be in the description below. I love you guys so much. Okay, so much. We're almost to 1,000. Okay, almost. Love you guys. Bye.